Okay, welcome to AVTECH. Today we are going to install 4 lenses on a 4-channel DvR. This is a DvR, as you can see, it is already open. This is a hard disk. It is used for storing data. This is a mouse for the DvR in case you want to check something. These are connectors. So today, this is our installation that is going on, and this is a router that is going to provide internet. As you can see, it's going to provide internet such that these cameras can be observed online. We want to make our client very happy, even if he's not at home. He can be able to access whatever is going on. So follow us as we install this hard disk, as we do the installation of these cameras. Follow us, support us. We have channels, social handles. We have a YouTube channel called AVTECH Power Solutions, where most of our work is posted. We have a TikTok channel, AVTECH Power Solutions. So you can contact us via our emails or on phone number 0779 80 83 47. Follow us as we install these cameras for the customer. Tomorrow you could be the one in need of such service. You will keep contacting us on all addresses provided. Thank you very much. Follow us for more as we go slowly. Thank you very much.